How to record Google Meet video call on laptop. First of all, you must join a meeting through Google Meet. So for now, let's join a meeting. Click on a new meeting, and here I will start an instant meeting. So once you're on the meeting, if you like to record your video call on Google Meet, now you have to add an extension to your Chrome. So in order to add extension, navigate to top right corner and click on this extension icon. Then click on manage extension. Once you're here, now you have to navigate to this section that is your top left corner on your left hand side. Click on Chrome Web Store. So in the search bar, you have to search for awesome screen recorder or screenshot and then click on it. And then click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. After that, you might need to log in. So for that, you can simply log in with your Google account. So sign in with Google. And now you can choose your account and then enter your password. Now once you have logged in, your extension is already added in your Chrome. After that, now you can go back to your meeting, and from here go to your extension and then click on your extension. After that, you have to choose whether you want to share your desktop, this tab, or your camera only, or you want to custom it. If you want to enable the sound, go ahead and turn on this toggle, and if you want to turn on this control bar and attenuation tools, you can turn on that as well. Once done, click on start recording, and it says recording will start here. And once you have closed this recording, you can find your recording in your files in your device. So that's the way to record your Google Meet video call on laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.